The topic of today's video is how to get an OpenAI/ChatGPT API key. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is go to OpenAI's website, and it should bring you to ChatGPT or whatever. It doesn't really matter as long as you can log in. So we want to go to the top right hand corner and click on login, and then we want to choose the API platform, which is where we are actually going to go, and then click login. And then over here, just put in your login details or continue with whatever you use to sign in. All right, and that'll bring us here. All right, so here we are on the API platform. And what you want to do when you are here is click on Organization Settings. You can find it right here under Authentication. Now here you'll see I have no API keys, but we can create a new secret key. So click on that, and then you want to just name your key. I'll just leave it as a test key. And under projects, it'll show all your projects. I have none. Then we can set our permissions here. And when we're done, just say create secret key. And it'll give you your secret key, which you should copy and save it somewhere you'll remember, because you won't be able to access this again. So say done, and there you are. And if you want to, you can also delete your private keys from here or rename them. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one.